Boom. Let's go. I think I got it. All right, here we go. Excellent connection. Yo, yo, yo. Just a little bit of extra work to get her going today, guys. Here we are. Market's chopping nice and good right here. Was tempted to take it long. We have Asia highs, equal highs above the new day opening gap, which is this orange level here. Right here, I really thought we would sweep these lows and then create this expansion pattern to take these highs. I think we're going to bounce possibly off this 200 before market open. And we're going to go up here. This is where I see us going. This yellow box in the top right hand corner screen. Let's mark out the open on the 15-second chart. So I'm looking for a low risk pre-market entry. 10 minutes to go. Usually the 925 candle start at 925 really kind of tells you. They kind of show their cards a little bit. Know what I'm saying? So we just had to see what they want to do with it today. You're what else? What else is going on right now? Just close the document. Okay. So daily 2-period RSI is below 92 days in a row. So we're definitely oversold technically. And today's the first day of a confirmed downward inefficiency. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Everyone who's not watching. Let's see here. GM live stream link is up if anyone wants to chat. Let's have a great day. All right, so inside up close on a last 5 minute. Let's mark out this 925 candle right here. I am expecting, this is what I'm expecting. From where we are now, I'm expecting something like this. And then market open. This is what I'm expecting. Let's go ahead and path. Let's hide that and then we'll reactivate it later just for fun. Dang, Bitcoin's been tanking, huh? All right, let's hydrate a little bit. And some vitamin C. Let's kick this chat off. Yo. Price could definitely dip lower than here too. That's kind of where I had it dip into, but I do like this 15-minute inefficiency. Along with this is like the midpoint of the overnight action. So it doesn't have to just go here and then pop up. It could go here, pop up, come down, and then go up. Long story short, price is likely gonna visit this region at some point. But I definitely like price coming back up to midnight open here. And there is actually a gap line right there, this blue gap line. All right, so we did dip. We did dip here. Let's see what it does at 925. That's a low risk pre-market entry right here. We're still a little too far from the open to bet on this pushing us up. This is a baby reversal from the level that I thought, okay. So it's going much lower like I expected. And it's at 925, it's selling off. That is an indicator not to be overlooked. I think our chances of having a bearish day just increased. That doesn't mean we're not coming back up here before we sell off. It just means that some people want to get in early as sellers before some larger action occurs. So very hard to buy this. Big volume, selling off, 925, right on, train is right on time. And yep, it's failing from the moving averages here. Rolled over at this 20 period moving average, which is based on the 2-minute chart. Pushed cleanly off the ascending 20 period moving average based on the 5-minute chart. So we'll just have to see if we get a big wick here on the 5-minute chart, or if you get a seriously bearish candle. Currently inside up close on the 30-second. A little bit of a long. Low risk, high reward trade here to go long. If you can buy here and then have the cojones to leave your target up there and keep your stop tight. I mean, you're talking, your risk to reward is just for fun. Almost 9. All right. Bullish engulfing off this 200 period moving average, right at the 50 line. Need a trigger. No trigger, no trade. I want to get a low risk pre-market entry, but I want it to be clean. I don't want to gamble here. It's kind of like a, show me and I'll believe you. All right, so this is the inefficiency that I had marked out that I thought we could tap into before pushing back up. And here we are. Ooh, nice reaction, huh? Inside up, wick on the 5. Clean reaction off that imbalance. Let's see, plenty of time to get a long trigger here. super hammer candle on the 5-minute. Got 50% of this range marked out. This is 50% of the overnight action. Clean push off this 200 period. Inefficiency touched and then just immediate rejection. Rally base rally is looking likely here. Yeah, it's not looking like I'm gonna get a the desired low risk pre-market entry, but I might. Just have to see what the market gives, right? I don't want to force this. I don't want to gamble. But what a beautiful reaction from that imbalance. This is this blue box here is the imbalance. Just kissed it. Night night. Directional imbalance up here. This is interesting. If I get a low risk pre-market entry short right here, should I be short right now? Very, very interesting. Very interesting. Dang, that was a low risk pre-market entry short. I was just hoping to get one long. Going to be a little bit too much volatility this close to open to pick. Unless I get a super, super clean setup. Going to be tricky to define my risk. Inside up close. Not sure why that's not printing a yellow bar. It's inside up close. Little too much of a gamble still. Micro double bottom. Gotta be patient here, dude. Don't want to be a victim of FOMO. Okay, that's a long trigger from the imbalance. Too big of a long trigger. I don't like this amount of risk. 14.5 points. Gotta set that to ticks. Inside up close. Rebalancing this imbalance fully. Clean off the 200. Low risk pre-market entry short. Inside up close on the 1 and the 30 here. Wick forming on the 5. Retesting the previous 5-minute wick here. Interesting long. Highest volume of the day was on that bullish bar.
Order filled. Order working.
Oh. I don't know what's happening, except that I have the wrong chart set here somehow. So
order cancelled.
Why am I not? I did log into this earlier. All good. Let's see. So bizarre. Somehow I got logged in on a different chart inside up, or it's got to be patient here. Bear flag. Yeah, I like this for the bottom. It's got to be willing to accept this volatility.
Order filled.
It's quite a lot of volatility, actually, now that I look at it. Considering that this is nope, can't touch it. Just let it play out the way it's meant to here. We do have our initial imbalance on the 1 minute. Was right out the gate.
Order cancelled.
Okay. All right, I'm going to chill out in this zone. This seems like a death zone here for me. I wonder if 3060, 50 ticks might be too tight for this volatility, honestly. Let's see what else we got. 8060. 8060. Let's go with 15 points instead of 12 and a half. Could be a little foolish trying to go long here again. The chart might not be ready to bounce. Long trigger on the 30. Somewhat of a reversal on the 1. Inside up on the 5. Technical stop placement is way too far away to trade off the 5. This is what I figured was going to happen. I like the highs up here to get run. Initial imbalance could give me an opportunity for a long. Yeah, I like getting long from here. I sure did. Let's see. Be a little bit patient here. Don't want to force this. I want to see a clean setup. I like this level to get long. I really do. Like getting long from around here. Back below. Okay. So we're getting some major chop. Big up, big down. This is does not bode well for the bulls. You do not want to see this type of reaction if you're bullish today. Price rockets up and then sells right back off. Interesting wicks here. Be in some kind of a range. No trigger, no trade. Want something clean. Not quite clean. It's just more of a continuation candle slash doji. I'm not going to gamble on a bounce after this kind of weird price action. Okay. Let's go to 15-minute chart. This leg here, 50% of this last down leg. Just put that on there. Ooh, clean sweep of the lot, low of the day, and a nice long trigger here. Nice long trigger right from there. I wouldn't have mind taking this trade actually had I not sort of looked away, but okay. Reaction to the initial imbalance is going to tell me a lot here. Moving averages, we're getting them pushing to the top of this. Gonna have to keep my head on a swivel a little bit more, huh? Boom, 50%. Inside up, close at the 50. Gonna go a little bit lower. Steady lower highs. Not had a significant break of structure to the upside. Will we get another low here? Is it hard to be a buyer? Very bizarre. Very bizarre, chaotic, noisy price action. It's funny. I just right click the buy button and I have like hand spasm. Slash, that's how eager I am. I need to just kind of relax the hand, buddy. Don't go accidentally entering any silly trades here. Micro double bottom. Long trigger. Same area. 50% here. Inclined to take this short. Inclined to look for a short here. Just kind of think we're gonna come. I still kind of think we're coming up here to this golden box. Could be silly to think that, but the day could tease bullish before selling off because there isn't much of a wick at the top of the daily candle. Let's see. Here's a short trigger. I said I might look for a short. This would have been kind of where nothing too clean. This is kind of the idea I had in mind, though. Kind of a clean looking signal in the 1 minute, surprisingly. Definitely a little indecisive. Let's look here at the hourly. 2 hour, 4 hour. Very interesting. Nice. Inside up close, just barely tap this guy. Pros trade to close. Too much of a doji. Doesn't have that clean reversal look to it. Has more of an indecisive look. Now we're getting some reversal type activity. Be really patient here, dude. I want a super clean entry trigger. I want it to be super clean. Okay. Glad I didn't get long. A little bummed I didn't get short up here. All good. Here we go. Just got to be patient. Other targets down here. There looks like there is a channel slash trend line. Inside up close. Something happened. Something happening.
Order filled.
Let's just see. That's a momentum trade. I just really think this could be the bottom. I could be totally wrong. We'll just have to see, honestly. Bullish engulfing bar. Momentum flipping. Downward pressure. Huge selling volume. Huge buying volume coming in. Could be good for a bounce here. Be patient. Don't want to get stop break even. That's an ugly bar.
Order cancelled.
How clean was it or wasn't it? Not too super clean enough, I guess. Do I try it long again is the question. Or should I be short? Something on my trading journey I'm going to have to learn or figure out right here is that it's tricky being a counter trend trader in the middle of a major trend. Very, very tricky. Just amazing how price failed to take Asia highs. Really get smoked buying that. Love you, wifey. I'm inclined to take 50% of this leg short. It will be very annoying if I do finally take a short and then it does reverse. But that is part of the game. That is part of the game. Long trigger on the 30. Question is it worth trying to pick a bottom here anymore? Looks like we just touched London lows. Just confirm that. London lows definitely touched here. Inside up close. Not gonna chase that. A little bit early on these two trades here. Didn't quite get the power that I thought. I guess I would call it wrong here. A little bit chasing price actually, if I'm being honest. I like to see this sell off a little bit more. Hit this channel. I don't have anything marked out lower than that. Let's go ahead and pin that, whatever that is. Little swing point there. All right, so we're hitting a channel here. It's a higher time frame channel, or this might even be the daily channel. Daily channel is almost being tested, my guys. Well, it is on the lower chart, so 1 hour. Yeah. I think maybe this swing point is my last spot worth trying to maybe catch the bottom, if you will. I think I only have maybe let me see, $25 or $26 left on my daily loss limit. So it's possible. Ooh, smoked. Getting smoked. Man. That is just really interesting. Price just barely took London highs and left Asia highs alone, and that was enough. And what did I say right at here at 925? When you had the sell-off, the chances of a bearish day really increased. It's really interesting. Where the bottom of this thing might be, I really couldn't tell you. Consequent encroachment of the daily wick is all the way down at 2107.3. It's another 200 something, almost 200 points lower. Bullish signal on the 30. Just where's the upside in trying to be a buyer here? It's really low risk, but We're definitely extended here. That doesn't mean much though. Nice looking bear flag. Tempting to just sell this. Just out of spite. But I like to trade the way I like to trade. This is how they do it, dude. You ready? You ready for this bullish move today? Psych level. One minute. Fair value gap inverted, everyone. Oh my God. Can you believe it? That's so significant. No, I'm joking. I don't know. Inverted fair value gap is a signal of order flow flipping. So if it's a valid long entry is to be debated right here. Market seems like it's in a hurry to do what I thought it wanted to do today, all of a sudden. So let's go ahead and I think we got bullish order flow here, ladies and gentlemen. I think we got some major bullish order flow coming in. Incoming. I'm resisting. Somehow I haven't gotten long yet. I've really resisted. I want to catch a pullback here. I think we might not be given much. Everyone that's short today, which is a lot of people, they don't want to give them too much time to pull their stops and do whatever. So they might just whoop, shoot it up on them. But could easily be that this is just a pullback in a major bear trend and we're just going to fall off the cliff again. We'll see though. We'll see. Do I take this long is the question. Below average volume. you got to take action there in a quick like fashion. Not a pretty bar here for a reversal. Need a little bit extra something, confirmation something. Maybe a complex pullback A, B, C with a cleaner trigger long. Did respect this inverted failed rally gap though. I'll give you that. Okay. 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 Where the buyers at? People are very hesitant to get long here, seemingly. I did it. That's a reversal candle right there, guys. We're going to wick through this. All right. Hit my daily loss limit. If it rips up here, dude, you know, like, it's just life. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? No big deal. I have my loss limits in for a reason. The lesson being, got the low risk pre-market entry short. Didn't take it. Got the indication it was going to be a short day right at 9:25, and I still was trying to get long. This is where I really missed the memo that we were going to be selling off. Same thing happened last week where I was just off sides. So the character of the market has definitely changed, and I have definitely been slow to adapt. No big deal because I'm managing risk and I'm still very much in the game and I'm learning. Any great short, I honestly don't see too many great short entries. This right here is where I said I should consider taking a short. Doesn't look too clean on the 15-second chart, but you do have a weird short trigger. Not weird, it actually looks kind of clean on the 1 minute. Here, this candle, I believe it's this candle. Yeah, this short trigger here, I mean, it's a long trigger, then a short trigger, but it is a short trigger nonetheless. Sell this, highly likely that I get filled there. Yeah, it would hit my target. Would hit my target quick. Before would have got stopped out break even here. All good. I wonder what I should do. Trading this funded account. It's probably good practice to stay on this funded account for now, because I'm thinking about doing a cash account, but that's going to be it for today. I am going to journal my trades now. All right. Peace out.